How to go to following and followers notifications. Hello guys, if you want to go to following and followers notifications, first step, go to your app trees. This is your app trees, and go to your profile and go to this option here, settings. This is settings, and go to notifications, and you can go to following and followers notifications. You can turn off no followers and accepted followers request and accounts, and you can turn on no followers and turn on accept followers. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.